In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a website scraper template in N8N. This is one of the fastest ways to extract data from websites without building everything from scratch. Start by opening N8N and going to the Templates section. In the search bar, type Website Scraper and select a template that matches your use case. Templates already include pre-built workflows, so you don't need to design everything manually. Once you find a template you like, click Use Template. This will automatically import the full workflow into your N8N workspace. Next, review the workflow structure. Most scraper templates include a trigger node, an HTTP request node, and data extraction nodes that process the HTML response. Now set your target website by editing the HTTP request node. Replace the example URL with the website you want to scrape. If the site requires headers, authentication, or pagination, configure those settings as needed. After that, check the extraction logic. Many templates use HTML extract or CSS selector nodes to pull specific data like titles, prices, or links. Adjust these selectors based on the structure of your target website. Run the workflow using Execute Workflow. This lets you test whether the scraper is pulling the correct data. You should see structured output in the results panel. If needed, refine your selectors or add filtering steps to clean the data. You can also add nodes to store the data in Google Sheets, a database, or send it to another app. Once everything works correctly, save your workflow and activate it if you want it to run automatically on a schedule. And that's how to use a website scraper template in N8N. Import a ready-made workflow, configure your target website, test the extraction, and automate your data scraping process.